What's going on, guys? Mr. Crazy1870. Just a quick video and audio test. Now I am using the brand new Samsung INFUSE 4G, and this is also recording at 720p. Of course, I am also using the built-in mics on the actual device itself. Overall, recording on this 4.5-inch screen is absolutely amazing. This screen is just real big. That's what she said. And I just really can't stop playing with the INFUSE 4G. Overall, first impressions are just really good. Really having fun with it. Now you also got a couple cool video effects that you can also add depending on what color effects you want to go ahead and use when you're shooting video. And I will show those to you in just 1 minute. Now I also did forget to mention that the INFUSE 4G is just really light and very thin. It also feels really comfortable to hands. It really does not add too much weight at all. So even like I'm recording right now, it just feels really light and really comfortable in the hands. Now comparing it to the iPhone 4, which is a lot heavier than the actual INFUSE 4G itself. Alright guys, so this is one of the effects that comes in the INFUSE 4G. Now this one is called negative. Pretty cool effect. So now I'm going to go ahead and switch to another one. Alright guys, so I just switched to another effect called black and white. Now this one pretty much it turns everything black and white, which is pretty cool option. Pretty windy out here. So this one here is the last effect. This one is called Sepia. So I really think those are some pretty cool effects, pretty cool options. Alright guys, so that's just a quick video and audio test using the camera on the new Samsung INFUSE 4G. I'm going to go ahead and upload this to YouTube. Go ahead and drop me your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about the quality. Please don't forget to check out my 2 latest videos. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Late.